Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome back to AnkiNish Creation. So we are in my craft room and we are going to be painting on a doormat today. So let's get started. So this is the doormat which I'm going to paint. I got it from Ikea like 2.5 years back. So I have to clean it first very nicely before starting to paint it. So I'm using my vacuum cleaner to give it a good clean. And now we are all set to paint. So I'm using a ruler and marking 10 centimeters from both the side top and bottom, and I'll apply a scotch masking tape on both the side. So masking tape का जो lower end है that will cover 10 centimeter from top. I have seen so many videos of painting on a doormat with some text, but in all of them they have used some kind of stencils. Either they have cut out manually or from a Cricut machine, but I didn't want it to cut out manually because बहुत time लगता है उसमें और Cricut machine है नहीं मेरे पास. So I figured out I'll do it without any kind of stencil. Let's see how it goes. When I was doing it, I didn't had any idea कि कैसे होगा. So बीच वाली जो टेप है I have marked 7 centimeters from top tape और वहाँ मैंने लगाई है टेप. Now this is the inspiration of idea which I wanted to do on my doormat. I really like the text. आप Pinterest पे ऐसे बहुत सारे text मिल जाएंगे और बहुत सारे ideas मिल जाएंगे if you want to give a funny or funky look to your doormat. And now I'm using a very flat marker and then I realized कि मुझे थोड़ा सा छोटा area चाहिए, so I reduced the area of this top text from 7 to 6 centimeter and then I'm writing with this flat. इसकी टिप इस मार्कर की जो टिप है वो एक हाइलाइटर मार्कर जैसी टिप है. So with this flat tip marker I'm able to write on this mat. और कोई मार्कर से लिखना पॉसिबल नहीं हो रहा था, I mean दिख नहीं रहा था. So here I'm writing my text on it so that I can paint it easily. Now I'm using Fevicryl ka black acrylic paint and I am going to use this paintbrush which is kind of a hard paintbrush mostly used for textures and oil paints. और फिर मैं इसको बस पेंट में डिप करके इस तरह से डैप कर रही हूँ all on the mat. बिकॉज नॉर्मल जैसे हम पेंट करते हैं वैसे पेंट करने पे नहीं होगा बिकॉज द सर्फेस ऑफ द मैट इज़ वेरी रफ एंड एकदम स्मूथ सरफेस नहीं है तो ऐसे स्लाइड करने से नहीं होगा. सो वी हैव टू डिप इट नाइसली एंड आई एम टेकिंग पेंट वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली टू पेंट ऑन दिस मैट बिकॉज अगर मैं ऐसे ही विदाउट टेकिंग पेंट नाइसली अगर मैं डैप करूँगी तो कहीं कहीं पे आई गेस थोड़ा लाइट हो जाएगा बिकॉज द मैट कैन ऑल्सो एब्जॉर्ब सम पेंट. So yeah, now I am just going to repeat all this process dabbing the paint. Without stencil, the edges of the letters are not going to be perfect as it appears with stencil, but I am happy the way this is looking क्योंकि stencil बनाने में I mean print करके उसको cut करने में बहुत time लग जाता है and I was not ready for it. So yeah, you can decide if you want to make a stencil and cut it out for all the letters and then that will be very easy to paint. But painting in this way was also very easy, I guess. मुझे तो बहुत मज़ा आया करके. So yeah, let's complete it and then we'll see how it looks. For writing this mention text, I'm using a cursive or lowercase letter writing and I'm doing it with the marker first as I have done previously. तो जो difference है inspiration वाले mat में और इसमें I have tried to cover like more area of mat. उसमें थोड़ा सा छोटा text था, that's only the difference. So this is completely inspired from that Pinterest post which I have mentioned in the video. But मज़ा आता है ऐसे खुद से कुछ करने में, कुछ पुरानी चीज़ को नया लुक देने में. So let me know how you think about it in the comment section below. And now with painting this final letter, our painting job will be done and we are ready to remove the tape. Yay, I'm so excited. कहीं कहीं पे marker के निशान रह गए, but that's okay. It's okay. It's fine. It will go, I think, gradually. So now let's remove the tape and see how it looks. It looks so neat after removing the tape. I'm so happy the way it has turned out, and without stencil also it is looking so perfect. I'm really happy the way it looks. So yeah, give it a try. It's so easy to do. You can paint on your doormat with funny quotes or whatever you want to paint on it. And this is how it looks on our entry door. I hope you all liked this video. Hit that like button if you did and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you soon. Bye bye. Love being creative.